Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Edinburgh. Let's go. Welcome to Edinburgh. Well, you're here, there's an alarm going off, and we're going to have a look at the Christmas markets. there's lots of street foodie type places. But oh my God, it's expensive.
All your pain will fade to memory one day.
Emma's got her some dirty fries. Cheese with cheese and bacon. Hey! With Cajun spiced chips. Or fries. Any good? Would you order it again? Would you order them again?
Yeah.
At £10. Not sure I'd order them again. Oh, £8.50, sorry. They were £8.50. The pizza was £10. So with the big wheel going on behind me, I'm gonna have a try. Pretty good. A £10 pizza. Wow.
All your pain will fade to memory one
Mulled wine.
Rosé wine.
Mulled rosé wine. Is it good? And I'm getting mulled toffee apple flavour cider. It's hot. It's clean. No, sorry. It's very nice. Very nice. Water boy. Have a drink, Nelly. Is that a creamy moustache and a creamy nose? Hey! all the love will somehow be coming your way. All your pain will fade to memory one. There we have it. The twisted tatty.
I saw a glimpse of coloring, it knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes. Desperately.
So we're having a quick look around Edinburgh. Currently walking up the Royal Mile. We thought there was a market here, but it's not. It's over the other side. But we're just about to go past a statue where the locals believe it's lucky to rub his big toe. I don't know why, but that's a statue. And there's a shiny toe with people giving it this. And here we have the Edinburgh Christmas sign, all in lights, with the Christmas tree behind. Beautiful.
Here we are, where fire meets the cold.
And there's the castle up on the hill. Very nice. A bronze bear and statue and a shiny nose. Unbelievably, this fountain is still flowing, but it has frozen at the top, and as some ice goes on, I will try and do a digital zoom now. There you go, isn't that cool? And in the background we have Edinburgh Castle. Well, we're walking out through the cemetery, and apparently this is the most haunted cemetery in the world. Very Christmassy and all that malarkey. I totally lied. Tristan told me incorrect facts to put in the video. Apparently it's a cemetery just further up from here. Oh well, no ghosty hunties here. So this is our last market of the day, Castle Street Market, before we head back to the car. As you can see, it's very cold. It is -3. Unfortunately, I'm struggling to film this market, so I don't think I'm going to do much more because my camera keeps shutting down because it's too cold. What? Anywho, let's go and try and walk back to the car. I'll film what I can. That was so annoying. Every time I tried to film inside the elevator, which had all the 360 degrees film footage every time it moved, the camera died because it's too cold. It kept saying the battery was flat and it's not at 73%. Yeah, too cold for a GoPro today. Anywho, we're going to head on home now. We've got a 122-mile drive. So see you all tomorrow, and now it's time to do your job.